Hey YouTubers, you know how you love to make content? And money? And aren't you tired of having to put ad placement in your videos, whether it be straightforward or your own creative sketch? Because you know you have to? You know. Because it's in your contract and you're a sellout. Well, don't you worry. Selling out's cool now, and I got your back. I'm a seasoned commercial entrepreneur with over 3 different Ferraris, and I'll make those ads for you with my excellent quality. Here's a great example of my excellence. Okay, Jimmy, roll the tape. Roll the fuck. Are you depressed and saddened that your internet is exposed to predators from the movie Alien vs. Predator 2? Well, don't you worry, because NordVPN is here to protect you and your family from all the advanced alien-killing technology with its new Gamma Defense Ray. Also, it guards your IP and connects you with vast servers that scale the globe, allowing you to watch Canadian Netflix. And let me tell you something, Canadian Netflix is the best thing God ever did. And if you're interested, I guarantee you definitely are, you should click the link in the description and use the code
Insert code here
to save 20% off your first 2 months. Enjoy safer internet from anywhere. And for every predator killed, Mr. Beast gives Kami 2 Teslas. Wow, that was great. Ain't that great? If you want me to do that great stuff for you, well, hit me up, son, because I'm all up in this shit, and I ain't afraid of no man, baby. I am the throne of Babylon, the destroyer of man. Fall to your knees as I raise my blade in the midst of chaos. Bitch.